As the sun set and glares off the peanut in St. Elizabeth, the people them gather up themselves for another night, planning for the other farm agenda and opportunity. It's peanut forever. I never am the Crocus bag farmer. Yeah, more life and more joy, yeah. When farming is the lifeline of the community can never suffer, you know. I mean, say the community bread butter. Yeah. Big up all my farmers, them man like Dale. Yeah, man like Chris. Yeah, Lance. Power, big up yourself, you know, Taya, me also, yeah, a big worker. Yeah, all the farmers, them, Salah. Yeah, Junior. Yeah, government, big up yourself, you know. One parliament, in. Country, big up yourself. Yeah, farming from evening till the morning. Yeah, you have a ram goat. How you see him beard right there, you know. You know, see a rammy. And them have some seed around here back there, so. What them call testicles. Hanging down. Yeah. Them one of them use and cook mutton and ram goat soup and thing. Right. So big up all the farmers them. You know the Rastaman up on the farm. You go and stay calm. Subscribe, like and share. You're looking down there. Jamaica's national landmark, that's Holland Bamboo. Yeah. No lie. Yeah, I'm up in the hills up here, high. So more joy and more life. Subscribe, like and share and leave a comment. Yeah. Bless up on yourself and the event.